Have you ever faced a frustrating issue while coding, only to be stumped by an error message? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the common problem of Python not recognizing installed modules, specifically the openpyxl module. I totally understand how annoying it is when you've installed a module correctly, but your script still throws an error. You're not alone in this. Many developers encounter this issue, and it can be quite perplexing. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently asked, "Why can't I import openpyxl in my script even though it works in the terminal?" They installed the module without any issues, but when they try to run their script, they get an import error. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this? The issue often arises from differences in Python environments. You might have installed the module in one environment, but your script is running in another. Let's break this down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your Python environments effectively. First, the user should check which version of Python is being used to run the script. This is important because the module may be installed for a different version of Python than the one being used in Sublime Text. Next, the user needs to verify the Python interpreter that Sublime Text is using. This can be done by checking the build system settings in Sublime Text. After confirming the interpreter, the user should ensure that the openpyxl module is installed for the correct Python version. They can do this by running a specific command in the terminal. If the module is not found in the correct location, the user may need to install it again using the pip command associated with the Python version used in Sublime Text. Finally, the user should try running the script again in Sublime Text. If everything is set up correctly, the import statement should work without any errors. Fun fact, Python environments are like different rooms in a house. You can have different furniture in each room, but if you forget which room you're in, you might not find what you need. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to try installing openpyxl with the user flag. This user found that using pip3 install-user openpyxl resolved similar issues they faced when running Python scripts. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One user shared their experience with a similar issue. They successfully installed openpyxl using Anaconda, but still encountered the same import error when trying to use it in their script. They noted that while importing openpyxl in the terminal worked fine, it failed in their script, leading to confusion about the installation. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. One user shared a simple yet effective solution. They faced the same issue with importing openpyxl. Their fix was to close idle and start a new session. After doing this, the import command worked perfectly. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always use virtual environments for your Python projects. This keeps your dependencies organized and prevents conflicts between different projects. And there you have it. You should now be able to import openpyxl without any issues. Remember, managing your Python environments is key to smooth coding. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus content on Python best practices.